welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful doily. This is so easy and you can make it in different color. For this tutorial, use this kind of color, and this hook, the size of the hook is 1.75 millimeter. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful doily 3D. Let's go. First I started with magic ring, so I put the yarn between my finger like this, and then put the hook like this and make one chain. And now we have the magic ring here. Then into this magic ring we need 12 single crochet, so make 12 single crochet into this magic ring. Now we have 12 single crochet into this magic ring, and then I put the hook in the first single crochet, exactly this one, and then yarn over and make one slip stitch here. Then make 3 chains, and then put the hook in the same space in under of these 3 chains and make 1 double crochet here. Then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together, so this is 1, and again put the hook in the same space and make another double crochet, and this is 2. Now we have this shape. Then we must make 2 chains here and go to the next stitch and make just one double crochet here, and then again 2 chains in this part, and again put the hook in the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together. This is 1, and again in the same space, this is 2. Then go to the next stitch, exactly this one, and make again 2 double crochet together. This is 1, and again in the same space, this is 2 double crochet together. So again we need 2 chains like before and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and again 2 chains, and again repeat this part until we arrive in this part. Arrive here and I make 2 chains with 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Then I put the hook in the third of these first chains and make 1 slip stitch here. Now we have this shape of this part, so now we must do again start the third round. Then here we need 3 chains and just 1 double crochet in each chain of this part. So 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch and make another double crochet, and again go to the next stitch and make another double crochet here. Now we have 4 double crochet in this part. Then make 1 chain and go to this hole in this part and make 5 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we want to make a popcorn stitch, so I put the hook in the first double crochet of this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put the hook here and then put the hook here in this part. Then yarn over between these 2 loops, and now you have the popcorn stitch here like this. Okay, then make 1, 2, and 3 chains, and then go to this part in above of this double crochet exactly here and make another double crochet in this part. Then make 3 chains and again make another popcorn stitch in this hole. So make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet. Then put the hook in the first double crochet in this part and here, then yarn over and make 1 chain here. Now we have 2 popcorn stitch here and 1 chain. Then again go above of this double crochet and make 1 double crochet and again repeat this 4 double crochet like before until you arrive in this hole and make another popcorn stitch in each hole. So continue this round until you complete this part. Now I complete this round. Then again I make 3 chains for start this round and make just 1 double crochet in each stitch. But when we arrive in the end of this part and arrive in this 1 chain in before round, you must make here another double crochet. Just this difference between this round and this round. Then again make 1 chain and go to this part here and make popcorn stitch like before, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and put the hook here and make 3 chains and go here in above of this part like before and again 3 chains and again here make another popcorn stitch, make another popcorn stitch here and now we have 2 popcorn stitch. Then make 1 chain and again here in this hole make another double crochet. Okay, so in this part we must have 6 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again here in this part 6 and then 1 chain. So again repeat this part in this part and complete this round. We complete this round and I make 1 chain here in this part and then in the first start of this round we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet, but we need another 1 double crochet because when we start with this part and we skip this hole. So make just 1 double crochet here and then make a slip stitch in the 3rd chains of the first chains of this round. So now you complete this part. Then again make 3 chains and double crochet in each part until you arrive in this hole. You arrive in this hole again like before, make just 1 double crochet here and like this round continue this pattern. Make 1 chain, go to this hole and make popcorn stitch here and again 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 popcorn stitch and this in this hole just make 1 double crochet. So in each part we need 8 double crochet. Complete this round. Now so in this round we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 double crochet in this part. So When you arrive in the end of this part, you have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and you need 2 more. So make 1 double crochet here in this hole and 1 double crochet here in this double crochet, and then make a slip stitch in this part. Arrive to this round and I make double crochet in each stitch. Then when we arrive in this hole, we must make 2 double crochet here, not 1, just 2. So 1 double crochet and again here 2 double crochet. So this is just one difference between this round and this round, because in this round you need 2 double crochet in each hole of this part. So I make 2 double crochet here. Then before you make popcorn stitch of this part, you must be careful. First make popcorn stitch here, 1 2 3 4 and 5 double crochet here and make popcorn stitch, and then we need 4 chains here, 1 2 3 and 4, without any of these double crochet in middle of this part. Without this, again make in this hole, in the second hole, another popcorn stitch here. So in this round we have 2 different. First this 2 double crochet here, and second this part. So again I make another popcorn stitch here like before, and then make 1 chain and go here into this hole and make 2 double crochet together, and then again repeat double crochet here, and then again 2 double crochet here. Then you arrive here, make popcorn stitch this part and 4 chains, and again popcorn stitch this part exactly like this. Okay, continue this part until you complete. Again I started the next round and I make just 1 double crochet in each stitch, and I arrive here before this popcorn stitch, and here again we need 2 double crochet together, and then make 1 chain, and then we need 2 chains more, so 1 and 2. Now we have 3 chains, and then put the hook in this hole and make popcorn stitch here like this. You make this popcorn stitch, make 3 chains again and go here in this hole and make 2 double crochet together, and then repeat this pattern in a round of this part. So you need 2 double crochet in each hole and 1 double crochet in above of this double crochet, and just 1 popcorn stitch here with 3 chains. Now I complete this round and I started this the last of this part. So I make just 1 double crochet in each stitch and I arrive here. So in this hole we need 3 double crochet. So this is 1 2 and 3 double crochet here. Then put the hook in the middle of this popcorn stitch, exactly this part, and yarn over and make 1 double crochet here, then make 2 chains and again put the hook here into this popcorn stitch and make another double crochet here. Then into this big hole make 3 double crochet together. So this is 1 2 and 3. Then in each stitch you need just 1 double crochet until you complete this round. So we're gonna arrive in this corner, so I put the hook here and make another 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, then go to this middle of this popcorn stitch and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet in the same space, and then here make 3 double crochet together. This is 2 and this is 3. So complete this round until you complete this doily. Now it is complete, and I hide the extra yarn with this needle. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this kind of doily, tell me in comments and I teach you more of this very beautiful and 3D doily. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.